好，大家好，我是物理系107级的刘尚杰。
我是物理系107级的赖庭轩。
大家好，我是物理系106级的黄仲颖。
大家好，我是物理系106级陈宇。Today I want to introduce Fokker pendulum. Before it, I have to tell you what is the Coriolis force. Coriolis force is caused by the object have linear rotation coordinate system. Due to the linear, object will tend to continue the movement in the origin direct, but the system is rotation vertical to the movement, so it will rotation the position of the particle. 1851, the French physicist Fokker demonstrated the phenomenon in a simple experiment. He put a 27-kilogram metal ball on a 67-meter roots, and when we put the observer on the universe, we will see the pendulum is swinging in the same direction. But if the observer is on the Earth, we will think the pendulum is moving rotationally. So we can use the Fokker pendulum to prove that the Earth is rotational.
Speaking of the high skyscrapers such as Taipei 101, many people must curious about the method concerning of the precautionary of earthquake. And let me introduce an important structure named shock absorber. It literally means that the structure is designed to reduce the destroys on the buildings or slow down the shake and the vibrations, which probably caused by the wind load or even earthquake. The theorem of the damper is that the damper is a kind of a huge pendulum, and when we install it in the buildings, and it may swing in the upside direction when the building shakes. And then it will absorb the impact energy. The energy will transfer and diverge to the bottom of the spring systems under the damper. And today we devised the two models of the dampers, and only one has installed the damper. When shaking, we simulate the earthquake happens. We can clearly observe that the one which installed the damper would reduce the time of the shaking.
The theorem of the experiment is that when we take the pendulum, it will swing slightly because of our unconscious minor sports, such as muscles tremble or breathing, causing the resonance of pendulum. No matter how no matter how small the energy is, as long as the frequency is the same, and we add the energy constantly, then the energy will be accumulated to form a larger amplitude. However, the scale of the experiment is hard to observe visually, so people will misunderstand and call the experiment psychokinesis pendulum. In the demonstration, I tied 3 different lengths on a stick, and I hold both ends of the stick. Because the frequency of the pendulum is dependent on its length, so I can control my own breath frequency to cause specific pendulum swing. In the demonstration, I tied 3 different lengths on a stick. Then I hold both ends of the stick. Because the frequency of the pendulum is depended on its length. So, I can control my own breath frequency to cause specific pendulum swing. Like now I choose this one.
If we tie two pendulums on the same sticks, first let one start to swing and another one be stationary. We will find that the angle of the original swing pendulum will become small gradually. The original stationary one will begin to swing. Until a certain moment, the originally swing pendulum will stop, and the stationary pendulum will reach its biggest amplitude. This phenomenon is called coupling pendulum. Coupling must have the same frequency of oscillation. In other words, must have the same length of pendulum, which will cause resonance and coupling phenomena occurs. If there are two pendulums, the normal mode are the one after the other, or both of them are in the same side. If there are three pendulums, the normal mode are like these three situations.
And